Are you looking for the best gas power washer? In this video, we will break down the top 6 gas power washers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. SIMPSON Cleaning MSH3125 Gas Pressure Washer. It is a well-built, sturdy unit with 10 inches never flat wheels that will conquer any terrain. It comes with a 3,200 psi output for heavy-duty cleaning, powered by a Honda engine. It is probably the best part about this machine is its axial cam pump. It's maintenance-free. Also, the hose is designed to resist the kinks and abrasions, and you will see that quality as soon as you take the hose in your hands. This gas-powered unit comes with 5 nozzles. It can help you clean anything from patios, decks to sidings, and cars. You can also prepare your house for painting. This pressure washer is simple to use as it comes already assembled. Another feature that is worth mentioning, the brass pump head and the metal frame without low-quality plastic parts. One of the best things about this Honda gas pressure washer is the additional equipment that comes with it. Many pressure washers come with a limited number of nozzles so that you have to purchase more from the get-go. Moreover, this pressure washer comes with an ergonomic spray gun and 5 different spray tips. It's lightweight, durable, and easily transported around the property. Also, it's very easy to use. It usually starts working easily on the first try. At number 2. GENERAC 7122 Pressure Washer. This speed wash power washer provides you with a complete washing system featuring best-in-class cleaning power. This complete cleaning system includes a family of innovative cleaning attachments to deliver better cleaning results in less time. Also, this allows them total control over the specs and features of each model of pressure washer gas engine and pumps. It is specifically designed for a powerful and faster cleaning. The manufacturer claims that this product can clean up to 50% faster than other cleaning units in the same range. Additionally, this gas unit comes with plenty of handy attachments like a power broom which allows performing multitasks. This unit is very durable and comes with a kink-resistant high-pressure hose. At number 3. SIMPSON Cleaning ALH 4240 Pressure Washer. This is the truly powerful washer. It has got a gas pressure washer that will blow you away. This model can do so much more than mere backyard cleaning. This powerful model can put out as much as 4 gallons of water per minute. That leaves with a total of 16,000 in cleaning power, more than enough to finish any commercial job quicker than others and save you some time. And you don't need to worry about durability either. This power is fed to the hose by a high-end, durable GX390 engine manufactured by Honda. The pump needs to be able to handle this volume of water. Everything is mounted on a sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum frame with brush-extruded aluminum tubing for extra resilience. Finally, to do the job right, you need a hose that's able to handle it all. The 50 feet long, and with a 3/8-inch radius, hose is made sturdy and flexible, able to handle 16,000 CP coming out of it. At number 4. GENERAC 7143 Pressure Washer. With an easy electric start, this washer offers flexible performance settings that are super flexible and easy to use. This residential-grade machine offers 3,100 psi and comes with a lithium-ion battery that can hold a charge for 18 months. It has an easy-to-reach detergent tank along with a vertical axial cam pump that includes extended connections. Also, it offered enhanced cleaning and easy assembly. It can apply the correct amount of cleaning pressure for every unique surface. It is equipped with a handy spray gun that allows you to change between different application settings. It includes a 12-foot power broom and soap blaster that helps you clean faster. You get 4 quick change nozzles to add to the versatility of the pressure washer. But the wand holder and the wheels are not as good quality as the rest of this washer. The wand holder is pretty flimsy and doesn't have any padding, so the wand scratches easily. The wheels tend to wobble and make the whole thing hard to push. Overall, this is a pretty powerful machine that lets you get any job done faster. This residential grade machine has a long-lasting battery that will let you work for hours without stopping. At number 5. SIMPSON Cleaning PS 3228 Pressure Washer. If you are looking for something efficient and of a slightly higher power washer, then you might want to look into this sturdy unit. At 84 pounds, it might not be one of the most lightweight units out there, but it makes it up through its durability. It can withstand heavy use, making it perfect for both residential and commercial use. Also, it is powered by a Honda GX200 OHV engine. This unit can easily reach 3,300 psi with a 2.5 GPM. The AAA industrial plunger features power boost technology, which allows for superior pressure. The 4-ply pneumatic tires are thick and will allow you to easily transport the unit across any kind of terrain. Not only will it absorb the vibrations while it is running, but it will also make you forget that the unit is so heavy in the first place. Besides, the triplex plunger pump features ceramic-coated pistons and SIMPSON's power boost technology that results in high impact, crud blasting 3,200 psi and super efficient 2.8 GPM water flow. 5 Pro-style quick connect nozzle tips are included: 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree spray plus a soap applicator. For absolutely any home or workshop application or even a small pressure washing service, this machine delivers. Best of all, it includes a 3-year engine warranty for your satisfaction. At number 6. SIMPSON Cleaning MS 60763 Pressure Washer. This is perfect for the do-it-yourselfer looking for maximum performance with minimal investment. It is simple to use and great for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, house siding, and prepping home exteriors for painting. Its compact design is lightweight and small enough to be easily transported by one person. It's not very powerful, but it's enough for your household tasks, and that's why it's a popular model. The unit is durable because of its steel-made body. Also, it performs up to 2,400 psi and flows up to 2 GPM, which is more than enough for cleaning anything. The washer has a 149cc SIMPSON OHV engine and a fuel tank that has 0.24 gallons of capacity. The best thing about it is that it has a dedicated detergent/soap tank. Whenever you set the nozzle at soap mode, in a 7:1 ratio, it'll automatically include detergent in the water. As well, it has a trigger lockage system and thermal relief tap, which will prevent accidents and damage internally when it comes to safety.